Hi, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Rich Side Insider, a place where future millionaires come together to get ideas. Today, I'm going to talk about three stocks that I may be buying in September. If this is your first time to Rich Side Insider, we talk about stock investment, real estate, how to make more money, and how to get rich in life. So, if you want to make more money, make sure you hit the bell so you do not miss any of my videos. So, if you have been following this channel for some time, comment below since when you knew about it. I would really love to know you. So today's topic is three stocks that I may buy in September. So comment below if there's any stock you would like me to talk about, and also if there is a bonus stock I may be buying somewhere in the video. So guess stock number three: save money, live better. Do you have any clue? If you know, comment below. Don't cheat. Don't skip the video. How about this one? Recognize this one? How about this one? If you don't recognize it, I don't know what to say anymore. Okay, so this is Walmart. So save money, live better. So basically, let's look at the Walmart. It's 393 billion. P ratio 26.41. So it's not that expensive yet. The dividend yield about 1.56%, and 52 week high about 141, and 52 week low of 102. So in March 12, it got really low. So if you had bought Walmart 5 years ago, just invested 10,000, how much will you have today? It's 21,732. So you will have double your money. So it was only about $63 at the time. And how about 40 years ago? Do you want to make a guess? Comment below. And 40 years ago, remember this is only 20 cents stock in 1980. You will have already got 6.9 million today. That's a lot of money. A lot of money. Of course, past results don't guarantee future results. So basically, what I'm trying to say is that if you look at the graph, it's been uptrending. I love stocks like this. It has to be uptrend, and it's better than keeping the cash in the bank. The banks can be only about 0.01%. That's ridiculous. So look at the Walmart stock. If you just bought, even if you just had 1,000, you will have still made 694,000. Of course, we are not counting a dividend. If you invest a dividend, you will have made more than 6.9 million. So why do I like Walmart? Walmart is basically teaming with Microsoft to bid for TikTok. Why? Why does Walmart do that? Because they want to grow their advertising business. They want to attract younger players. So that's something that I like. But of course, it's not 100% sure yet, but it's a right the right move in the right directions. So another thing that I really like is it's an Amazon Prime competitor, Walmart. It's coming soon. It's coming soon. Just imagine if Walmart launched a subscription-based business, just like Amazon Prime. Amazon has 150 million all over the world, worldwide. Remember, that was as of January 30th. So it's more than population of Russia. It's more than population of Japan. Look at that. Russia has only 144 million. Of course, that was in 2018, but still, 150 million is a lot more than that. And how much do they make in 2019? 19.21 billion just for the from the Prime. So that's crazy. If just Walmart made 10% of this one, 1.9 billion, that's still a lot of money. And one thing that you should know about subscription is that if the customer have subscription to your business, so they buy your grocery more, they buy your stuff more than that because they want to feel like they are using the best use of the subscription. I bought Walmart, it's good, at 1.22%, so that's not bad. But I like Walmart. I think it's gonna go up in September and beyond. So guess stock number two, just do it. How about this one? Recognize this one? If you still don't know, I don't know what to say. Nike. So Nike, if you bought 10,000 of Nike 5 years ago, it was only $54. You would have made 20,000, 399. So it's also double your money. It has a dividend yield of 0.88%, market cap about 139 billion. How about 40 years ago? 40 years ago in 1980, only 17 cents. So if you had bought it 40 years ago, how much would you have made today? you will have made 6.5 million today. That's a lot of money. Yeah. So look at the graph. Of course, your past result don't guarantee future result, but that's pretty good, nice graph to see. And Nike has been successful in improving its online sale, even though the stores are shut down and they are moving away from retail. Nike will look to limit partnership with other retail outlets. They are looking to sell directly online to customer. Uh, so yeah, definitely it's the right move in the right directions, and they also found out that customer were willing to pay money, even during this pandemic period. So particularly health and wellness. So I like Nike stock. So this is the right move in the right direction. And I bought Nike, so 18.72%. So not long ago, 1 or 2 months ago. That's a good return. And another stock, gas stock number one. You will have, if you have been following my channel for some time, you will have known this stock. Gas stock number one, Chi. What stock is it? What stock is it? It's a Netflix. Basically, it's a Netflix stock. Look at the Netflix. If you bought Netflix, invested 10,000 in Netflix 5 years ago, it was only $98. So you will have 53,602, 5 times your money. More than 5 times. That's a lot of money. It's only 233 billion right now, Netflix. And if you just bought Netflix 18 years ago, you will have made 4 million today. Just 18 years ago, 4 million today. That's a lot of money. Wow. Yes, it was only $1.21 at the time. And 4 million 18 years ago, yeah, I'm gonna take it anytime. Yeah. So if even if you have bought just 1,000, you will have made 400,000. That's pretty high up too. And Netflix, yeah, I average out dollar cost average of the Netflix, so that my average cost was 26.15%. And there's a bonus coming soon. So what do you do now? So risk comes from not knowing what you're doing, whatever first says, and only buy something that you will be perfectly happy to hold if the market shuts down for 10 years. Don't feel comfortable holding cash. Cash pays you virtually nothing. It's certain to depreciate value. And success comes from knowing what you don't know. So make sure you try to know what you don't know. And subscribe and share this video, and you can get free stocks and audiobooks in the description and comment below. There are 3 links. Just open accounts and deposit $100. You're gonna get a stock up to 1,400. And if you have only $10 and you want to invest Apple or Facebook high price stock like Tesla, there's another third link from M1 Finance. So you can click the link, you're gonna get $10 right away. As well, if you want to listen to free audiobooks, I have the free audiobooks as well. If you want to become a realtor, real estate license course is below as well. The best credit cards below as well. If you're paying more than $15 a month for your cell phone plan, you're paying too much. I have basically unlimited data, talking, testing. I like it. I use it. So the best credit cards is in my opinion. I use them as well, and you can get free travel credit as well if you book it below as well. And the bonus coming, it's gonna be China's e-commerce giant. Do you know what that is? It's not Alibaba. This one. Do you recognize this one? JD.com. Yep, JD.com. So it was only $22.81 5 years ago, and you will have made 34,000 today. And so more than 3 times. Market cap is only 123.49 billion. And if 6 years ago, you will have made 39,000. Of course, past result don't guarantee future result. And of course, all these stocks that I may be buying. I might change my mind depending on the news, but I'm pretty much sure that I'm going to buy because I'm holding most of the stocks in this slides as well. So anything can change, So if you have any questions, comment below in the description, and you can reach out to me on Instagram or Facebook and get free stock or audiobooks in the description below. Comment below where you're watching from, your city, state, and country. I would really love to know you. Subscribe YouTube, like, see first Facebook, and follow Instagram. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.